Assalamualaikum all my dear students. I'm Ms. Jaziba Khurram from the Smart School Sir Syed Ahmed Khan campuses and Gulistan Johar campus. I hope you all are doing very well at home and you all are staying safe. I'm your social studies teacher and this chapter that video is currently about is the deforestation. We have previously discussed about the chapter Forest of Pakistan, in which we discussed there are several type of Pakistan forest in Pakistan and what type of forest we do see in our province Sindh, in Punjab, and what kind of provinces have these natural man-made forests and all that. And now in this chapter we are going to discuss, we have discussed about the topic that what is actually deforestation. And this is actually the copywork of this chapter, so I want you all to take out your copies so that we can just do some written work today. Moving on to the next slide is the title page. I know you all, the grade 5 students, are really good at it, and I have seen your copies. You must have made really good title pages, and now this time I want you all to make this title page as well. I like this picture, so that's why I attached this picture over here so you can show your creativity as well, and I really love to see that. This is the chapter 10 of your textbook, which is deforestation, and we are going to do the question answers of it today. After that, you are all smart and old enough to make the title index of your own. आप लोग index अपना खुद भी बना सकते हो. So according to today's day, you will write today's index. First, you will write the name of the chapter, and then you will write question and answers. Topic will be the question answers, and I know I want you all to write down the date over here on the left hand side and CW on the right hand side, because this is a kind of a classwork, online work, whichever you will say. So the topic is question and answers. Number one question is, what is deforestation? What do you understood by this term? What is actually deforestation? The name of the chapter. So starting off with the name of the chapter, that what actually deforestation is. Deforestation means is cutting down large number of trees to use the land for some other purposes. यानी हम फॉरेस्ट को कट डाउन करते हैं अपने पर्पसेस के लिए, और वो पर्पसेस क्या होते हैं कि हम फॉरेस्ट को यूज़ करते हैं, उनकी वुड को यूज़ करते हैं फॉर मेकिंग आवर फर्नीचर, फॉर मेकिंग इवन द पेपर. इवन इन द पेपर वी आर जस्ट डिस्कसिंग दिस थिंग दैट वी डोंट हैव टू डू द डिफॉरेस्टेशन इज बिकॉज ऑफ द फॉर डिफॉरेस्टेशन. So deforestation is cutting down large number of trees to use the land for some other purposes. Moving on to the next question. Write 5 reasons for deforestation in Pakistan. What actually are the 5 reasons that is causing deforestation in Pakistan? So here are the 5 reasons that clearing of land. By this term clearing of land, it means that for making the farms, cash crops plantations and livestock farming. Means अगर यहाँ पे we will just clear the land, it will be the rule, it will be the place for the livestock farming, livestock animals will be here, and not only that, the agricultural crops, which is the source of getting the money in the country. So this is actually they are cutting down the forest for the agricultural purposes. Second is urbanization. Urbanization means to cut down all of the trees and make roads, tall buildings over here, means to make a proper city area. Number third is infrastructure expansion, means making roads, big buildings and all that, these kind of things. Number fourth is overpopulation. Now by overpopulation, it means that overpopulation means when there will be the number of people living in a city area, obviously there will be no enough space to make them live in a proper area, so definitely we have to cut down the forest. उन्होंने forest को cut करा so that people should get enough space to live in that area. Number fifth is logging. Logging means to cut down the wood and for the purposes of like for timber, to produce wood and paper products, this all kind of things, this comes in the heading logging. So these are the 5 reasons for deforestation: clearing of land, urbanization, infrastructure expansion, overpopulation and logging. Next one is question number 3. Explain 3 effects of deforestation on humans and animals. Now what are the effects of deforestation on us humans and animals? So the first one is deforestation can lead to a direct loss of wildlife habitat. ऑब्वियसली जब हम फॉरेस्ट को कट डाउन कर देंगे, इफ वी विल कट डाउन ऑल ऑफ द फॉरेस्ट, सो जहाँ पे जो एनिमल्स रहते हैं, वेयर विल दे गो? इट विल कॉज द सीरियस एक्सटेंशन. Now, what extinction means? When a species disappears from their habitats, from their natural habitats, is what extinction means, and which is harmful for us as well, because we are getting our precious species to go away from their natural habitat, and which is a great loss for ourselves, for us as well. Number two is it reduces soil moisture. It reduces this uppermost soils layer, which is the main source of getting all of the trees, which will not, अगर वो ऊपर से layer चली जाती है, so it will not be the source of getting more forest or more plantations over here. Number third is increase in the of the greenhouse effect. Means that the Earth's atmosphere does contain a number of greenhouse gases. Now, these greenhouse gases actually trap the heat from the sun in our atmosphere. Carbon dioxide, methane, and water vapors are needed in a small amount so that we can harmful and will be harmful at high levels. Means ये जो gases होती हैं, these are very harmful and they do come in our atmosphere at our Earth atmosphere, which is after cutting down all of the trees, which is increasing the heat and which gets trapped in the sun's heat and affects on directly on us human beings, which is the greenhouse effect, and it increases in this greenhouse effect, which causes us not only humans but other species as well. So these are the three effects of deforestation on us humans and animals. Number one, deforestation can lead to direct loss of wildlife habitat. Number two, it reduces soil moisture. Number three, it increases of the greenhouse effect. Now question number 4. Suggest 5 ways to conserve the forest in Pakistan. ऐसे कौन से 5 ways हैं जिनकी वजह से उनको हम करके अपने फॉरेस्ट को बचा सकते हैं, हम उनको बचा के रख सकते हैं. So following are the steps. Following steps should be taken for the conservation of forests in Pakistan. Number 1, by protecting natural forests. First and foremost rule is to protect our natural forests which are left. The previous forests that we have been mercilessly being cut down, or they have been a part of the deforestation. We just have to protect the natural ones, the ones that are just remain in a very small amount. Number 2, planting more trees. We need to plant more and more trees to make our environment more green and clean. These are the 2 factors that will make our environment more green and clean. Means by planting more trees. Number 3 is proper utilization of forest products. Means the products that we are using by cutting down all of the forests, we have to use them very properly. We have to make sure that the utilization of these products are proper, so that we don't have to cut down more of it. Number 4, stop the unnecessary deforestation. Means a lot of people have been doing the unnecessary deforestation, which is by law against it. Some areas are specific which should be the area जहाँ पे हमें deforestation करना चाहिए, but हमारी government को they should take the unnecessary step for stopping this unnecessary deforestation. Number 5, by making strict laws against deforestation. Means अगर if we will make the laws, if each and every person will follow all of these laws, so definitely we are going to have a proper system, right? By this we will get proper things, and strict laws will be against this deforestation thing, so that we can conserve our forests in Pakistan. Question number 5. What measures are taken by the government to conserve forests? Now, what are actually our government is doing? Government of Pakistan has made laws to prevent unnecessary felling of trees. I told you at the starting of this chapter that felling of trees means to cut down. Felling means to cut down a tree. Means our government has made laws to prevent this unnecessary felling of trees and declared certain forests as protected areas. Means the left ones जो बच चुके हैं उनको they have declared that these are the areas that we have to protect at any cost. These protected areas are called reserves, and these actually are national park or wildlife sanctuaries. So Natural protected forests in Pakistan are actually the only three or four are left, which includes Chilgoza pine forest, juniper forest, Kalar Kahar, Birir Valley coniferous forest. These are the four forests which are actually left, which are natural protected forests in Pakistan. Question number 6. Now this question should be done by you all. Let's just see that what you have to write about this chapter. Because the previous chapter we also discussed some points, and in this chapter we also discussed that what are the effects of the deforestation, what is the greenhouse effect. Now this question is to be done by yourself, in which you have to imagine a world without trees. Write 5 to 6 sentences about the changes that would come in your daily life. अब वी हैव टू राइट 5 to 6 सेंटेंसेस जो चेंजेस आते हैं हमारी लाइफ में क्या होगा. इमेजिन अ वर्ल्ड विदाउट ट्रीज, यानी हमें वर्ल्ड इमेजिन करनी है जहाँ पे कोई ट्री ही ना हो. एंड यू हैव टू राइट द 5 to 6 लाइन्स ऑन इट so that we can see that what actually the changes would come in our daily life without trees. Let's just see what you have in it in your mind and hope to see your answers real good. So this is end of this video, and I really enjoyed this question and answer session with you. The explanation of this chapter will continue in our live sessions. This is just a question and answer video which you can complete at on time. You can just have a quick idea about what this actually topic is about, and we will further discuss this in our live sessions too. I hope to see you all through the live sessions or the physical classes. Till then, you all take care of yourself. Stay safe. Allah Hafiz.